Hey guys, welcome to Chris Hansen Barbecue. Today we're taking part in this collaboration called the Twisted Burger. Now, the Twisted Burger is running from May 9th to the 14th. The only requirement was you got to use one local ingredient. So, I'm assuming you're going to be seeing some great burgers out there and some crazy burgers that you wouldn't expect. But anyway, here's ours. All right, we're getting that chuck roast burger going on. It's gonna be some good stuff, man. All right, next, I'm gonna start making these patties here. I'm doing 3rd pounds. That's my favorite size. It's not too big, not too small. For me, I think it's perfect. Now, if you're doing a lot of burgers, it's not even 3 pounds. If you're doing a lot of burgers, I want to put a piece of wax paper down so it doesn't start sticking. Another thing you could do, put that in the freezer. Put the burger press in the freezer. That works awesome. All right, so we're gonna be throwing the burger on the kettle today. But in the meantime, we are cooking some homemade applewood smoked bacon. This is going on the burger. It's gonna be delicious. It's gonna give it a nice little smoke flavor, and you got that awesome bacon going on. Check out a video on my channel. You'll see the recipe for this homemade applewood smoked bacon. All right, guys, we're going with that New York extra sharp cheddar cheese. This is some good stuff. If you like sharp cheddar, try this out. It also comes in yellow too, whatever your preference is, but give it a try. All right, so the bacon's done. I wiped some of the grease out of the pan, leaving some in. I'm going to throw in a teaspoon of butter. Then I'm going to come with a couple slices of onion, couple slices. Then I just cut them in half. Got about 3 nice mushrooms here. Gonna saute these. All right, guys, right before they're done, you want to come in with a little Kentucky bourbon. Give it like a splash, maybe like half a shot. And you're just gonna stir that all around. Now, you're probably wondering, there's bacon grease. Why are you adding butter? It's for the flavor. All right, you want that flavor, just like the bourbon. You want that flavor. It's giving a nice, like, almost like a little woody flavor with the bourbon, and adding some nice sweetness. That butter's giving it like almost like a little nutty type of flavor. So that's what you want. All right, these are just about done. All right, guys, let's screw the burgers on. I'm not putting anything on there except for a little splash of some Worcestershire. Little splash. That's it, man. Good to go. We're in business. All right, guys. I got myself a potato roll right here. First, I'm gonna roll with some iceberg lettuce on there. Then we're gonna do some tomatoes. Good stuff. Time for the patty. Boom, boom, boom. Nice. Look at that. I'm gonna take some of our homemade bacon. Oh yeah. Nice. And we're gonna come with our beautiful onions and mushrooms. Bam. That's it, guys. Beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys. Check out all the other channels. There's going to be a bunch with this collaboration. Just check out the hashtag. Boom. You got it. Thanks for watching, guys.